Welcome to Eat with Hank, and today in this video we'll be making onion rings in the air fryer. Let's get started. And what we're going to do is we're going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, half tablespoon of salt, and mix it in with half a cup of flour. Make sure to stir everything all nice and even. There we go. And then we're going to add half tablespoon of black pepper. There you go. Stir it in. And we're set for that part. We also have here 3 eggs, and you just mix it all together. Make sure it's nice and even. Okay. And some panko breadcrumbs. Okay, let's get started. We're going to cut up an onion, and we're going to cut off the top and bottom. Remove that. And we're cutting it around half an inch thickness. There we go. That's what it should look like. Remove the skin. And try not to cry in the process. Okay, there we go. And we're going to separate these. Okay, we have the onion separated, and now we're going to coat the onion rings. What we're going to do is we're going to dip into the flour, the seasoned flour. Dip it into the egg. And dip into the panko breadcrumbs. Here you go, 1. Okay, we have all the onion rings coated, and now we're gonna preheat the air fryer. We're gonna preheat the air fryer at 370 degrees, and we'll be back. Okay, the air fryer's been preheated, and before you put it in, just spray some extra virgin olive oil. There you go. This is what it should look like before you put it in. Let's open it up. And before you put it into the basket, spray some olive oil just so that it doesn't stick, and put in the onion rings. There we go. And let's put it in. We're going for 370 degrees for 5 minutes, and we'll be back. It's been 5 minutes at 370 degrees. Let's take them out. Oh yeah, looking great. Okay, let's take them out. Okay, this is what we have today. Onion rings made in the air fryer. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.